So this is the newest Falk, my brother's banana python?
Banana ball python,
ball
yes.
python. And he came to us from Edison via FedEx.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
Smelling me. He's much smaller than my other one, which I thought he was going to be bigger. Which only means my other male weighs a lot more than I thought. This guy.
And you feed him frozen?
Yeah, frozen dogs. This guy will be eating medium rats. Mediums, maybe smalls.
See, I thought this was the only color.
Smalls starting out.
I thought it was going to be white and yellow. I didn't know about this other pattern in there.
Yeah.
You're pretty.
They're super bright when they're smaller. Super bright.
You're pretty handsome.
There's actually two versions technically of banana. The one's called banana, the other one's called coral glow. He is definitely warming up.
Do you have a name yet?
No. I was thinking maybe Foster. Like Bananas Foster.
We like Bananas Foster. It's a good dessert.
I'm gonna search some other banana names.
Okay.